Good morning everyone. Welcome to the online classes of the Veni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Today we will do chapter number 19 of class 3rd EVS, means of communication. Let's start. So we live in a world where we have to get the information and we have to share our information to others. So we also have some new ideas and even other people also have new ideas. So we have to get the information and to give the information to the others. So the exchange of information, we need some medium. So those are called means of communication. So let's start understand what is communication. The process of expressing our ideas and feelings or giving information to others is called communication, and the means we use to communicate with others are known as means of communication. So let's start. First of all, our postal services. Our postal system is the cheapest means of transportation, communication. Postal system. The postal system is the cheapest means of communication. We can write the message. We can write the message on postcards, inland letters, stamp envelopes, and aerograms. We can buy a postcard from a post office. Now let's understand the destiny of a letter. Means how a letter is goes to its destination, its proper place. First of all, what we do, we just write a letter and uh, drop that letter into the letter box. We can see everywhere, means most of the locality can have the letter box. Now what the postman does, the postman collects the post from the post office and takes them to the head of the post office. After that, at the post office, these letters are stamped by another postman. The stamped letters are arranged in a slots according to the names of the place where they should reach. After that, we just collect all the letters, same place letters in one box and then send it to them. Then the post office, the postman then collect the letters of the same locality and dispatch to the destination. Now let's see, when we have to write a letter to our friend or our relative to a different city. So what we should do or what should be precautions to when we have to write the letter. Let's see. Here we have to write the proper address, means where we have to send the letter, name with address. And here you can see this is the pin code. So this is 6-digit pin code. Every city has its different pin codes. So next one is courier services. Urgent services can be sent through courier services. If we have to send our letters or other things at urgent basis, then we at the time we can do the courier. These are also speed post. Telegrams. Telegrams are the small messages. Sometimes we have to deliver the message very quickly. Earlier days we used telegram to give the message that is very urgent, and this message contain only a short message. Now telephone. Telephone is the quickest way of a means of communication. We two person get the information at the same time. We in this what we do, we just communicate one another. So when the person we want to speak is too far away from us, we use the phone. When he or she is in our city, we use the local telephone. If we can make a direct call to any other part of our country through STD. Through STD, what can we do? We can make a call within our country. And With local calls we cannot do STD or ISD. With local calls we can only communicate within our state. But if we have to call to the person who is in other state, we have to make STD calls. And through ISD we can make the calls throughout the world. We cannot make ISD calls, means international calls, through STD. We have to use ISD only. So fax machine. Fax machine, with the help of the fax machine we can send the written messages, we can even send letters, pictures and photographs. They are all in form of electronic. It copies the message and send it along the telephone line to the other person's telephone fax machine, and then we can get the printouts also. Next is cellular phone. Cellular phone is also called mobile phones. That mobile phone doesn't have wires. It is very small, and we can talk to the people and send messages with SMS services. We can also use it while traveling, and nowadays it's most commonly used means of communication. Even cellular phone, we are with phones, what we can do, we can also, the online study is going on, we can also do the study. Next is emails. With emails we can send the emails through computer, as well as we can use phones to send the emails, but we should have an internet connection to send the mails. We can send and receive text message, audio files, video files and recorded music, etc. with the help of the emails, but we should have internet. Now based on based on the previous session that we have done, we have to do this exercise. So these are the means of the communications are given here, and these are the words that you have to match with this. The next one is, you have to write the names here. You have to write the names of the means of communication here. In the next one, you have to select which one is the means of communication in these. So this is it for the today. So now like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.